So, why do businesses actually exist? Well, businesses exist so we don't have to do everything ourselves. We trade with each other instead. To make this easy to understand, imagine two monkeys. Monkey 1 wants a banana. He could climb trees all day to get it, but that takes a lot of time and energy. Monkey 2 is really good at climbing. He climbs fast, gathers a bunch of bananas, and now has more than he needs. Monkey 1 and Monkey 2 make a deal. Monkey 1 gives Monkey 2 something in exchange, and Monkey 2 gives Monkey 1 bananas. This is basically what a business does. It solves a problem, exchanges value, and makes both sides better off. Businesses exist to solve problems or meet needs, usually in exchange for money. For example, restaurant feeds your hunger, Uber gives you a ride so you don't have to walk, Netflix provides endless entertainment from your home. And in many cases, the bigger or more urgent the problem, the more valuable the business becomes. The more people need a product or service, the more value it creates. While businesses create value, value is the difference between what something is worth to you and what it costs. For example, you pay $5 for a coffee because it saves you time and gives you energy. That's worth more to you than the money you spend. iPhones cost a lot, but people feel the design, brand, and features are worth it. Value can be practical, emotional, or social. The more value business creates, the more successful it tends to be. Some people believe businesses exist only to make profit. Others think businesses should also make a positive impact on society. Profit-focused companies aim to maximize shareholder value, while impact-focused companies generate profits while supporting a cause. Nowadays, many businesses try to balance both. Profit keeps them alive and allows them to grow, while positive impact builds long-term trust and reputation. However, profit and impact cannot always be fully balanced. Most companies operate under the principle of maximizing shareholder value. Unless an impact-driven initiative creates greater value, it usually cannot be the main goal. People can't and don't want to do everything alone. Businesses exist to solve this problem by specializing in certain areas and offering products or services. By focusing on what they do best, businesses allow people to trade their expertise with others. One person bakes bread, another makes clothes, and another builds a house. Together, everyone benefits and lives better lives. In the modern world, a farmer sells food to a supermarket, which then provides it to families. Specialization not only makes life easier for individuals, but also makes societies more efficient and productive. This is a key reason why economies grow. Businesses let people focus on their strengths instead of trying to survive alone. Businesses exist within a legal system that lets people come together as a legal entity, almost like a person. This means a company can own property, sign contracts, borrow money, be sued independently of its owners. For example, if you and friends open a bakery as a company, the business itself owns the ovens and recipes. If the bakery goes bankrupt, you usually won't lose your house. This is called limited liability. This legal structure also makes it easier to raise money from investors, take calculated risk, and scale up into large organizations. Without this framework, many of today's large and complex businesses could not exist. Businesses exist to make life easier, better, or more enjoyable for customers. They provide convenience, comfort, safety, and entertainment. For example, Amazon delivers products directly to your door, Netflix provides endless entertainment without leaving home, and Toyota manufactures cars so people can travel comfortably and reliably. The most successful businesses don't just meet needs, they understand what customers truly want. This drives customer experience and brand loyalty, ensuring people keep coming back and value the business beyond just a product or service. To summarize, businesses exist because they solve problems, create value, and make life easier. They are built by individuals, for individuals, within legal systems that let them grow safely. For example, a bakery solves hunger, creates value with tasty bread, provides jobs, functions legally as a company, and makes life easier for customers who do not bake at home. At their core, businesses are about exchange, giving something valuable in return for money. While profit is the main goal for most companies, some also aim to make a positive impact on society, balancing financial success with social or environmental contributions.